Using a digital thermometer. Step 1. Clean the tip of a digital thermometer with cotton dipped in rubbing alcohol. Step 2. Place the thermometer under the patient's armpit and let him or her hold down his or her arm tightly at his or her side. Step 3. Keep the thermometer tucked in the armpit until the thermometer beeps. Step 4. Remove the thermometer when the reading number shows up on the digital display screen and record the temperature. Step 5. Wash the thermometer with soapy water or swab with cotton balls soaked in alcohol. Return it in its container and put back the thermometer's tip cover. Step 6. Wash your hands with soapy water and rinse.